Hi, welcome back. This is the first tutorial for descriptive statistics analysis. The first thing that we need to do is to learn how to upload a data file into SPSS. SPSS is the main statistical packages that we will use for this course, except the last 2 weeks of the courses in which we'll use R. So I have prepared datasets in Canvas. You go ahead and look for it. It's called Digital Literacy for Elderly. First of all, you will learn how to upload this file in Excel into SPSS. To do this, it's very simple. But let me just show you what the data looks like. So the data contains the participant's ID and the different variables and each individual's responses to this survey. And there's a description and a code book. A code book is very important. As mentioned in the lecture, it tells you the variable name, the description of the variable, the measurement, and how it's actually turned into a numerical value, even though for categorical scale, it will be turned into 0 and 1 or 1 and 2. So what you will do is load up your SPSS software. I will go for new dataset. I will go for open data. I don't want to open this one.sav file, but I want to open the original data file, the raw file in Excel, which is this one. Click on it. It's called Digital Literacy for Elderly Final Excel file. So just click it, open. Just click OK. Here it is. The data from Excel file has been uploaded into SAV. I can save this, save as. So once I save as, it becomes the same file, but the file is in the format of .sav file, which is a native file to SPSS. So I have that file as well. Inside my inside the canvas, which I have provided to you. So you just click on it and you will see the same results. If you want to show it, I'm going to just quickly close this. I'll just click on it. Need a few seconds. So here it is. It's the same. Digital Literacy for Elderly.sav file. That's it for how to open a file into SPSS.